Okay, for megachan.sh, the shell script I made real quick, I have it hosted at megaupload.com slash question mark D equals N3J7WNCC. I'll put a link for that in the page, but that's pretty simple. You just download it after time allows you, and then you go into a command prompt or terminal, CLI, and you have to move the files to user bin so that you can actually run it, and then you also have to chmod and then make it executable for yourself. I've already done that, so I'm not going to do that again. And so the file that you run is megachan.sh, and then whatever you put after the sh with the space, if you put wg, then it will get wallpaper general, and if you put like B, it'll get random PO for papercraft origami. And move all, I'm starting fresh here. And so when you start it, I'm going to go with wallpaper general because that's really what I made it for, was just to get wallpapers really quick whenever you need a new wallpaper. So run it, and then it'll run curl to scan for all of the threads in that board. And then after it gets all the boards for however many pages the thread has, or the all the threads for however many the board has, it will scan it for all of the any attachables, any links and slash source, or whatever slash src slash. Doesn't matter if it's JPEG, PNG, GIF, PDF, whatever they have on the directory. So now just using curl to scan for all of them. I saved downloading for last because it ended up being more efficient. And you get a lot less dead links, and you're not reading into the same thread over and over again. Less recursion. Well, more efficient recursion. And I think this is just a good resource for getting namely wallpapers, but even if you want to quickly scan B and build up your B folder real quick, you can grab every single thing that's on there, which is sometimes bad, often bad, but you know, what are you going to do? And now it's actually downloading with wget. If it starts to hang, you can start the wget again later by looking at the code, and it's just reading it out of a text file. As those are downloading, saving it to whatever folder you started it in. It's pretty basic. I think I only really used 4 programs: curl, wget, grep, and sed. And then some loops from dash or bash. So that part can take a while, but I'm just going to show you what it has so far. be every wallpaper that 4chan has to offer at that moment. So you've got your classic communist backgrounds. So it's just an instant, great resource. Mainly for fresh installs. Don't have to go around searching for content. Nice Fight Club one. Oh man, that's kind of shitty. Doesn't put much stress on the server because it should be like, I mean, I could do a lot worse with Firefox, but it's just very efficient because you're not overlapping. You don't have to scan manually every single thread, every single picture. You can just go through later and delete. These files, images.txt and thread.txt, that's just left over. I used it to store it because I didn't know how much I didn't want to store it all in just loose variables. Plus, it's basically, you can just do wget images.txt. Well, you can feed images.txt with the pipe. I think it's like nc, I forget what the wget commands are, but you wget and then pipe in images.txt. You can look into the code for MegaChan, the user bin. Yeah, nci images.txt. So you don't even have to pipe it. So if at any time this fails here, just go wget nci images, and it will start again, just in case your connection dies. So that was Wallpaper General. You can also go Papercraft Origami, and it will start it again for every page on Papercraft Origami. It goes from page 15 back to 0. It's already done that. Now it's getting all the file types. Some of them are PDF, some JPEG, some PNG. You can also alter the code so it works with other forums. So if you're a 7chan or 420chan, as long as they don't protect their scripts anyway. Their file type links. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm going to leave it there. I don't really want all those files.